How's it going, guys? In this video we're going to show you how to get BEP-20 addresses right here on Trust Wallet. Now all you have to do is simply click on the two circles in the top right of your screen, and once you're here all you need to do is search for the asset you want the address of. So let's take, for instance, we wanted to search for BNB. If it wasn't selected, we would then type in BNB, and then once the results show up, all you need to do is select the one which has BNB Smart Chain. And once you do that, select it and then head back to the home tab, and once you're here just scroll down and find the asset you just selected, so in this case BNB, and then simply select receive. And once this shows up, you can now scan the QR code or share the address in order to receive this asset. Okay, so now let's go back and try searching for something else. So let's head back to the home tab and then click on search again, and then this time let's search for Zio or Zilliqa. So once this happens, all you have to do is simply select the one which has Smart Chain. So let's go ahead and select it, and then head back to the home tab, scroll down until you find the asset that you just selected, tap on it, and then simply click on receive. Once again, you're now presented with the QR code and the address which you can use to receive the asset. So if you found this video insightful, please go ahead and leave a like and a comment, and of course subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.